we always bother about human health. We are always worried about our human health, but nobody bothered about soil health. So, in that aspect, Government of India has initiated a scheme called Soil Health Card System. The initiative aims to promote balanced use of fertilizers based on soil health. Under this scheme, farmers receive soil health cards which provide information on soil nutrient status, and recommendations on appropriate fertilizer use. It helps farmers to improve soil health, leading to better profits and reduce input costs. Thank you. Next, another important scheme initiated by the government is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. This Fasal Bima Yojana is a crop insurance scheme aimed at providing financial support to farmers in the event of crop failure due to natural calamities, pests and diseases. It offers insurance coverage and financial assistance to farmers for both pre-harvest and post-harvest losses. Next, another important market, because it's a new initiative initiated by the government, that is National Agricultural Market. National Agricultural Market. eNAM, it is called as eNAM. Is an online trading platform for agricultural commodities. It facilitates transparent price discovery and provides a single market for agricultural produce across the country. eNAM aims to eliminate middlemen and ensure fair prices for farmers' produce. Friends, next another important scheme is Kisan Credit Scheme, that is KCC. You must have already experienced through banks and cooperative societies. The KCC scheme provides farmers with credit facilities for meeting their agricultural and allied expenses. It aims to provide timely and adequate credit to the farmers and at affordable rate of interest. This is important, at affordable rate of interest, not exorbitant rate of interest. The scheme also offers flexible repayment. This is important, flexible repayment options based on the harvesting and the marketing cycles of crops. It all based on marketing and the harvesting season of the crop. Friends, another important scheme which the government has initiated, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchana Yojana. This scheme aims to improve farm productivity and ensure efficient use of water through the implementation of various water conservation and irrigation schemes. It includes components such as watershed development, micro irrigation, and the construction of water storage and structures. Friends, another important scheme is National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, where we have gathered. So to sustain the agriculture in India, we have gathered the experts and the policy makers.